Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're good and welcome to a brand new video and welcome to my channel VIBGYOR of Talents. And in today's video we are gonna look at the chapter Electoral Politics. So it's of Democratic Politics subject of class 9 CBSE, and we are gonna look at the topic in today's video, that is why we require elections. So let's do it with the help of a case study. So it's the case study of assembly election in Haryana. So let's look into it now. The time is after midnight. An expectant crowd sitting for the past 5 hours in a chowk of the town is waiting for its leader to come. The organizers assure and reassure the crowd that he would be here any moment. The crowd stands up whenever a passing vehicle comes that way. It arouses hopes that he has come. Leader is Mr. Devi Lal, chief of the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, who was to address a meeting in Karnal on Thursday night. The 76-year-old leader is a very busy man these days. His day starts at 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. and ends after 11 p.m. always. He has already addressed 9 election meetings since morning, been constantly addressing public meetings for the past 23 months and preparing for the elections. So this was the case study that we have here about the assembly elections in Haryana. So the newspaper report is about the state assembly elections which were held in Haryana in the year of 1987. So the state had been ruled by a Congress party led government since 1982. Chaudhary Devi Lal led a movement called Nyay Yudh or Struggle for Justice, and he formed his own party called Lok Dal. His party joined other opposition parties to form a front against Congress party in the elections as they were stronger. So in the election campaign, Devi Lal said that if his party won the election, his government would waive all the loans of farmers and small businessmen. He promised that this would be the first action of his government as soon as they become the chief minister and form the government. The people were also unhappy with the existing government. They were also attracted by Devi Lal's promises. So when elections were held, they voted overwhelmingly in favor of Lok Dal and its allies. So of course Lok Dal and its partners won 76 out of 90 seats only in state assembly. Lok Dal alone won 60 seats, and thus Lok Dal majority in the assembly. He had a clear majority in the assembly. The Congress could win only 5 seats. And once the election results were announced, the sitting chief minister resigned, and the newly elected members of the Legislative Assembly or MLAs of Lok Dal choose Devi Lal as their leader. The governor invited Devi Lal to be the new chief minister 3 days after the election results were declared. And as soon as he became the chief minister, his government issued a government order waiving the outstanding loans of small farmers and agriculture laborers and small businessmen. His party ruled the state for 4 years. The next elections were held in 1991. But this time, the ball has changed the court. And the party didn't win major support. The Congress party won the elections and formed the government in 1991 elections. They got the majority of votes. So this is about why elections. So we answered a major question and I hope you guys understood it. And we will look in the next video why do we need elections. Is this another topic in our textbook? So that's all for today folks. Bye and have a good day. Thank you for watching.